Hello and welcome back to Coin Matters channel. We must immediately address an important development in the cryptocurrency sector. So, you're going to bring up the fact that Vladimir Putin released a secret message at the end of this video. A definition, please. Where does the United States currently stand? Due to widespread predictions of an imminent U.S. bankruptcy. We'll be explaining how that works in more detail. Some claim it's also dangerous to go to San Francisco. That's what Kevin, whom you'll soon meet, has to say. That's something we'll be discussing. We also have some other important news to relay, such as the introduction of a brand new cryptocurrency. That's just the beginning of the information I hope to share with you. Please give this post a thumbs up if you find these updates helpful. Never to be taken as financial guidance. So, without further ado, let's watch the video. The first thing I want to warn you about is the abundance of Twitter frauds in the current cryptocurrency industry. Here you can see that DJ Steve Aoki's Twitter account was hacked and $170,000 worth of ETH was stolen. What's occurring is that phishing URLs are being dropped from compromised Twitter accounts. Therefore, phishing links are links that can take all of the cryptocurrency from your trust, wallet, or MetaMask. Therefore, extreme caution is warranted. I see, so you're Steve Aoki. We just had another Twitter account hack and he's already had one. Recently, a prominent leader in the crypto industry succumbed to this. And the sandbox confirms that right over here. Arthur Madrid, our co-founder and chief executive officer, has had his Twitter account compromised. This is a phishing scam where the hacker is promoting a bogus sand token airdrop. Do not click on the link. Instead, report the post to have it removed and for everyone to see what these scams look like. Okay, so you'll primarily encounter them on Twitter. Hackers could steal all of your cryptocurrency if you click that link and confirm the transaction using your MetaMask and Trust wallet. You all are also aware that we are investigating numerous potential new endeavors. Telegram is a fantastic resource for learning about cryptocurrencies before you invest any time or money in the market. However, impersonators posing as administrators have been known to send direct messages, DMs, on Telegram in the hopes of tricking users into visiting malicious websites. All of your cryptocurrency could be lost if you did that. You should exercise extreme caution if clicking on links posted online or touching wood. Please keep an eye out for any attempts to hack my Twitter account. That's a major development worth discussing. In addition, I feel it's crucial that you all learn about a brand new cryptocurrency that has emerged in the last day or so. There are a lot of influential people currently following it on Twitter. You may check the list of famous people who follow this Twitter account right there. Here we have Mario Nathol. It's the channel's sponsor. Wall Street Memes is the name of the site. And the pre-sale for this one has already begun. If you're seriously considering this, you should maybe read up on it or something. Seeing who was actually following the Wall Street Memes Twitter account blew my mind. So far, it has amassed about 250,000 adherents. Wow, that's some fascinating stuff right there. However, pre-orders are now being taken, and you never know when a pre-sale of this nature might have multiple phases. So, will the price go up for the next phase of this pre-sale? Maybe, but it's already at an all-time high of almost $319,000. And if you're interested, it's best to start learning about crypto projects before it's too late. We'll be discussing additional meme-based cryptocurrencies later in the channel, but this one stands out as one to keep an eye on. We're currently in the meme business, and if you're at all curious, I'll provide a link to this right here. Additionally, this one is on the upswing, and you may use Ethereum or USDC to join. Instructions are available on the website. However, a MetaMask or connected wallet will be required to complete the transaction at that time. However, that's a connection to internet jokes about Wall Street. Even though the cryptocurrency market might be volatile, it's crucial to keep an eye out for major long-term signs. One example is how Visa is investigating Ethereum's smart contract capabilities for use in the payments industry. Thus, this is yet another bullish indication for the cryptocurrency market in the long run. And here we have one of the largest firms in the world, a payment processing giant. People are interested in cryptocurrencies because of Ethereum. In other words, if you're not interested in meme cryptos, which are built on community, attention, and buzz, you might want to keep an eye on utility-based cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, especially if Visa decides to adopt it. Guys, keep your eyes peeled because that's about to get really cool. However, Visa is currently investigating Ethereum's enormous potential, which is encouraging news. I thought it might be cool to let you know that Meet Kevin is currently in San Francisco complaining about how dangerous it is and that Elon Musk has responded to his concerns. Okay, so you've all heard of Twitter. It serves as the global crypto headquarters. Twitter is a great place to find out the latest cryptocurrency news as it happens. In contrast, he claims that you should avoid San Francisco at all costs. In fact, Elon Musk has declared it to be groundbreaking right now. Nobody has any idea. So, for those of you in the Bay Area, is it really as dangerous there as Kevin and Elon Musk claim? Always use caution when in San Francisco. Leave your comments below. The situation in the United States is also very serious. So, this occurs annually, on average. The Treasury has warned that it may run out of funds by June 5th. Therefore, the United States spends money like a drunk sailor. However, a drunken sailor, unlike the United States government, genuinely works for his or her pay. You all know that the United States government is broke, but it continues to spend money like a robber using a credit card. On Friday, Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen declared that the United States has sufficient reserves to postpone a possible debt default until June 5th. This schedule has been delayed, but only by a few days. However, the United States federal government should be your first concern. There is excessive spending. In fact, I'm beginning to think that most Americans would rather see the United States government save its money instead of wasting it on frivolous endeavors. That's how I perceive it, and I think a lot of other people throughout the world feel the same way. They're going to be spending cash like nobody's business in Australia, the UK, and Europe. However, that may be something to keep an eye out for. As a result, we can expect a great deal of macro FUD to occur in the background as we wait for this dust to settle. Again, I'm not offering financial advice, but in my opinion, the United States government will just try to extend the debt ceiling by artificially inflating away the cost of the increase in spending. In other words, you should be wary about rising inflation. And also, consider this. Because it has the potential to cause widespread disruption in the global financial system, I thought you would enjoy this video. This therefore is an official statement from Vladimir Putin. We'll watch the video and I'll give you guys my thoughts afterward. Let's have a go at it. We'd like to further decrease the use of currencies from unfriendly states in trade and development assistance. To complete the switch to national currencies, we prioritize cooperation with our Eurasian Union allies. This is happening not just in China and India, but also in Latin America and other regions with fast developing economies. And it's crucial that we all work together to set up a new decentralized international monetary system. The stability of worldwide financial markets is essential to this decentralization. The less dependent it is on crises in the countries that utilize a global reserve currency, the better off the global economy will be. It will help remove politics from the economy. The words coming out of Vladimir Putin's mouth right now are undeniably potent. He is currently asking for global financial markets to be decentralized and is essentially attacking the United States. The global economy is undergoing some fundamental shifts at the moment. Countries like Iran and Latin America, as well as China, Russia, and India. As we continue along this route into 2023, I predict things will become increasingly unstable. So, I anticipate that 2023 will continue to be a year of high volatility in the crypto world. In particular, keep an eye out for these squabbles. As this uncertainty continues to permeate the political and economic spheres, it's important to keep an eye out for further black swan events. In addition to Vladimir Putin. However, that is really a side note to keep in mind alongside all this crypto activity. And gentlemen, let's discuss some meme currencies, since meme coins are still all the rage in the crypto world right now. Therefore, people are making absurd sums of money with meme coins. I have some vital new information on a few of them that I need to share with you. As you may well know, we have released a plethora of Pepe updates recently. A $612 million market cap. Other major ones exist. Shiba Inu Dogecoin 10 billion with 5 billion in use right now. But the value of meme coins has been skyrocketing recently. I'd also like to bring attention to several mid-cap meme coins. Read on, since there are some helpful hints at the conclusion. But PSYOP is the only one who can say they've completed a 2x, making this a huge deal. They are actually doing some sort of cross-pollination with Ben, which is BitBoy Armstrong's cryptocurrency meme coin, and it has a liquidity of roughly 10 million with a completely diluted value of 1.147 billion. Furthermore, this one promises a Ben airdrop to PSYOP holders within an hour. However, there is some very clever advertising going on with these meme coins. Keep in mind that the point of meme coins is to attract interest, foster community development, and, raise awareness. That, though, is a red flag. I, too, was keeping an eye on the Ben price. Another major crypto meme coin, in case you guys don't know Ben. It's a meme currency with a $73 billion market cap and a tiny retracement right now, but it's worth keeping an eye on since it has the ability to recover as well. I haven't spent a lot of time discussing Mong, but I know that this crypto has a lot of fans. Another one that's somewhere in the middle, I can't see the market cap there, but I'm very confident it's in the tens of billions. Countless millions of those, roughly. So it's not a tiny meme coin, but we're looking at a lot of little meme coins on the channel, and these are a few that would be worth keeping an eye on if you're interested in learning more about these digital currencies. This market volatility is quite exciting. And folks, since I did say I would provide more meme coin advice, let's chat about it. So, we have been researching a wide range of new crypto initiatives, including many that use the meme coin. Let's talk through some pointers, not investment advice, as we always do. Let's jump right into some advice. The first piece of advice I have for you with meme coins is that the sooner you start researching them, the better. Keep in mind that whatever applies to Bitcoin also applies to the vast majority of other cryptocurrencies. The earlier you learn about a cryptocurrency project, the better off you will be in the crypto market. This is true regardless of whether you decide to invest in the project or not. The difference between knowing about SHIB now and knowing about it when it had a market cap of $1 million is night and day. If you invested $1 million in Pepe when its market valuation was $1 million and now it's $612 million, you would have made 612 times your initial investment. If you invest in Shiba while its market cap is under $1 million, you stand to make a return of $5 million. In the world of cryptography, anything can happen. That's something to keep in mind. Therefore, it is not as important to be among the first to learn about and explore novel cryptocurrencies and pre-sales. A cryptocurrency investment is never necessary. You feel uneasy about making a purchase. In the end, it's your call and your cash. You have the right to act however you see fit. But if you want to succeed in the crypto sector, there is one thing you must do: get in early. In addition, I think you'd benefit from checking out Twitter. As a result, Twitter is a great place to find out about breaking news stories. Meme currencies operate on this premise, and I learn a lot about the crypto market in general from people discussing it on Twitter. Second, keep in mind that you don't have to put a ton of money into these cryptocurrencies. This is a high-stakes bet with an equally high potential payoff. And you all know the tale of Shiba Inu and Pepe right here, how people invest like, $50 or $100 and it ends up going insane. They made off with many $1 million. You should keep in mind that you need not put a large sum of money into cryptocurrency. If they want to explode, they can explode. And potentially with a tiny investment into these cryptocurrencies, you can get that benefit. The third piece of advice for these meme coins is that they are quite volatile. As we can see right now by looking at our PSYOP, not only is the debut of that cryptocurrency fraught with uncertainty, but so are launches of other cryptocurrencies. You can see the volatility right here, so let's have a look at Ben. On the other hand, it's never a bad idea to consolidate your profits. You can reduce your exposure to risk in cryptocurrency by cashing out your gains. If you're unsure about a crypto but it's doing well, you can cash out at the 2x level and protect yourself from the possibility of a loss. If you're extremely bullish, you can cash out at the 4x or even the 8x level and recoup your initial investment in Memecoins. Again, if you're holding a cryptocurrency that has recently completed a presale and an A5X, it's definitely wise to cash out some of your gains in order to limit your losses. That's what I do, and the same goes for point 4. The less space these cryptos take up, the more up-to-date they are. You prefer not to go forward from these initiatives. Keep in mind that there is a lot of volatility in the cryptocurrency market, especially with the smaller crypto ventures. You should keep an eye on your cryptocurrency holdings regardless of whether the market is rising or falling. So, you should know that diversification is sometimes a beneficial strategy. I spread my crypto investments around. Outside of crypto, I also invest in other areas. So, I'm on the lookout for and purchasing assets outside of crypto. However, if you get too varied, it's important to keep track on your initiatives, as they can be quite risky. Therefore, it is really challenging to keep up with all of these endeavors if you are carrying around a Memecoin purse containing, say, 100 Memecoins. For this reason, the crypto market will be led by the coins with the lowest volatility. That means they'll soon be in the top 20. And there's a lot less danger in investing in them because we know the teams are putting in the time and effort, delivering on promises, and planning for the long haul as crypto projects. Many of these Memecoins, however, have to battle their way to the top of the rankings in this very instant. Fifthly, one should consider the market capitalization of Memecoins. That's why market value is everything. So, if you want to earn money in cryptocurrencies, and I mean a lot of money, you need to be paying attention to market cap. You should consider the market values of $10 billion, $5 billion, and $612 million. But, if you were to invest in a crypto with, say, a market size of $500,000, let's just pick one at random. Sorry, guys, but I haven't done any research into this Rista plan. This is merely an illustration that I've chosen. Yes, I have no idea if it's a good idea or not, but if it grows to a market cap of $10 million, this time it's gonna be a 20x right. The market doesn't give a hoot about your hard-earned cash. Your investment is unconcerned with market capitalization. Your excess are all that matter to it. What's your X count, then? The lower a cryptocurrency's market cap, the greater its potential for growth in the cryptocurrency market. And it's far more grounded in reality. That is something it is capable of doing. So once again, if you consider Dogecoin, the cryptocurrency, as a possible catalyst, this one is currently valued at over $10 billion. I'd be thinking in terms of a 2024 or 2025 bull run if we want this one to really explode. You can see that Dogecoin's market cap has reached ludicrous heights if you go back in time. In other words, the market cap increased to a new high of $88 billion. Our Dogecoin has the potential to skyrocket if we get another bull cycle around the years 20, 24, 20, and 25. However, getting to those heights requires a lot more effort and macro considerations than those tiny cryptos. You can make as little as $500,000 or as much as $10 million. On the other hand, with smaller cryptocurrencies, the riskier they are tends to increase as their market capitalization drops. Therefore, the lower the market cap, the higher the risk, and the greater the potential reward. Remember this in many of these endeavors. Some of them may experience a meteoric rise, while others may experience a meteoric fall. In the former case, their value may increase by 100 times or even 1,000 times, as in the case of Pepe. In the latter case, it may decrease to zero. That's why it's important to consider how much you're willing to take and how comfortable you are with risk. That concludes my advice regarding how to earn secret meme coins. Still, it's important to get a head start on education, to act decisively despite the risks involved, to cash out when you can, and to keep abreast of developments. Keeping an eye on Twitter is one of the most useful things you can do in the crypto realm. This means that Twitter will be the place to go for all the latest and greatest news as it happens. If you stick around, you'll find that the crypto ecosystem is constantly producing fresh meme coin gems. But seriously, that's wonderful news. I really hope this video was helpful to you. If you voted with your thumbs up, the video you just watched was essentially a condensed version of several others. To be honest, I just wanted to try something new today. Going forward, my video will be shorter. Today's video won't focus on just pep news or crypto news. Please like and if you enjoyed, and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.